Welcome to LawTube. In today's LawTube, we are broadcasting law firm news of the day. But before we begin with the LawTube, if you have come to LawTube for the first time, so please do subscribe LawTube and click on the bell icon for notifications so that you will never ever miss latest LawTube. We also thank to all those who have already subscribed LawTube for latest law news. So stay tuned to LawTube for latest law news. You are watching your favorite LawTube channel for law news. In today's law firm news, firstly, Indus Law Firm promotes Harman Walia, Mayank Datta to partner among 25 total promotions. In a press release jointly issued by Indus Law Firm partners, Suneet Katarki and Avimukth Dhar commented that it gives us great pleasure to welcome Harman and Mayank to partnership as well as 7 new principal associate and 16 senior associates. Accordingly, the principal associates promoted to partners are Mr. Harman Walia, Mr. Mayank Datta. The largest number of principal associate was promoted in Delhi with 4, followed by Bangalore 2 and then Mumbai 1 as follows. They are Akash Das Gupta from Mumbai, Abhyuday Bhotika from Delhi, Ankita Gupta from Bangalore, Ashwin Krishnan from Bangalore, Nikita Goyal Delhi, Sabrina Afroz from Delhi, Sarvonath from Delhi. Out of the 16 new senior associates, Bangalore made up half of the new senior associate, that is 8, and Delhi consisted of 5 as 2 got the nod in Mumbai and 1 in Hyderabad. They are Ajay Randhawa from Bangalore, Anamika Singh from Mumbai, Ansul Roy from Delhi, Kshitija Prasar from Delhi, Kush Saghi from Delhi, Manan Dua from Bangalore, Mansi Javaria from Mumbai, Parul Prasad from Bangalore, Raghav Muttanna from Bangalore, Rahul Tiwari from Bangalore, Sabika Upadhyay from Bangalore, Shweta Adhikari from Bangalore, Stuti Agarwal from Bangalore, Swati Srinath from Delhi, Varun Khanna from Delhi, Vasavi Kaparthi from Hyderabad. Indus Law Firm partners congratulated all who got promoted at different level. It is a matter of great pride to see the growth of talent within the firm and we shall continue to invest in our lawyers, they said. Coming to second law firm news, Credit Suisse retains promotes Sapna Bhavani who was due to join KRR. According to a report, Credit Suisse director and head of legal Sapna Bhavnani has been retained and promoted to head of legal for South Asia. According to report, she had reported on 23rd December 2019 that she had told Credit Suisse that she would be leaving the bank to join private equity fund KRR in early 2020 in a legal and compliance role. However, Credit Suisse is understood to have managed to retain Bhavani while also promoting her to a position with a wider remit according to her LinkedIn profile. Bhavani is reporting to General Counsel Asia Pacific region. Coming to third news, Indus Law promotes all women quartered to partners plus 13 associate, mostly women. Indus Law Firm has promoted 4 of its women lawyer to partnership as well as 4 to principal associates and 9 to senior associate according to a press release. A press release stated senior partner Suneet Katarki stated, one of the joy of building an institution is seeing people grow and evolve personally and professionally. This year it is particularly satisfying to see so many women climbing the ladder of professional growth and excellence. Another partner, Avimukth Dhar said, we are delighted to note that all the partners, 75% of principal associates and nearly 90% of senior associates promoted this year across India are women. This is a great marker for the firm and the legal service industry overall. This latest promotion now grows Indus Law Firm to 36 partner with 8 women, 156 free earners, including partners across 4 offices. New partners include Ginny Sinha from Delhi, Divya Varghese from Delhi, Tanu Banerjee from Bangalore, Anubha Sittal from Delhi. New principal associates includes Soumya Kaur from Bangalore, Shriya Suri from Delhi, Ishwar Upneja from Delhi, Pankuri Bhardwaj from Delhi. New senior associates includes Niyati Bhatt from Delhi, Shruti Bharawa from Delhi, Sabrina Afroz from Delhi, Vaishnavi Rao from Delhi, Nikita Hemingi from Bangalore, Ananta Krishnan from Bangalore, Aishwarya Chandar from Bangalore, Anindita Ganguly from Mumbai, Pooja Dadu from Mumbai. Link Legal India Law Service has had independent lawyer Jimit Shah as Mumbai-based associate partner in its capital market practice. The 2005 GLC Mumbai graduate with a MBC in Finance from SP Jain School of Global Management has begun his career at Dave Girish and Company, joined Crawford Burley in 2009, including in its huge capital market practice. In 2013, he had set up his own firm, JPS Legal. According to Link Legal press release, he has worked on several domestic as well as international equity and debt transactions for private as well as public sector undertaking in divergent industries. In a statement, managing partner Atul Sharma and co-managing partner Nusrat Hassan congratulated Shah and wished him all the best. Link Legal now has a total of 3 partners in its capital market price for a total of 7 fee earner. All are also part of the corporate and commercial practice of the law firm. Coming to fifth law firm news, Indus Law has added Kochar and company partner Shabbir Ahmad as a partner in its Hyderabad office. The 2008 NLIU Bhopal graduate who joined Kochar in 2015. In a press release, Indus founding partner Sunit Katarki said he will bolster our litigation practice as well as the overall client service capability in Hyderabad. According to Indus Law Firm's press release, he has appeared before High Court, National Company Law Tribunal, Civil Courts, Consumer Forums and Commissions, Arbitration Tribunal, Debt Recovery Tribunals, Labour Court and other fora. According to Shabbir Ahmad, Indus Law is a Tier 1 firm in several areas of practice and is also one of the fastest growing law firm in the country. I am looking forward to be part of the firm growth story and quite excited to work with the great talent in the firm. To the sixth law firm news, DSK Legal has hired Link Legal India Law Service Delhi-based project partner Dinesh Pardasani with a team of 3. According to a report, his team includes Senior Associate Shantanu Singh and Associate Aishwarya Kumar Tiwari and Kanupriya Mehenditra, and he is the 4th project partner at DSK alongside project partner Anuja Tiwari, Ajay Shah and Anjan Das Gupta. According to DSK managing partner Anand Desai, that we are delighted to have Dinesh and his team joining us. We have been building a very strong project practice over the last couple of years, and this team experience in project arbitration and litigation will add significantly to this practice. Dinesh Pardasani specializes in projects, particularly in railway, where he had advised on 5 out of 6 PPP model metro rail projects in India, according to a DSK statement, as well as in the sector of water, waste management, renewable energy, industrial corridor and smart cities. Link Legal managing partner Atul Sharma stated, "We recognize Dinesh's contribution and wish him all the best." DSK Legal now has a total of 21 partners, including the new hire. So, LawTube viewers, we hope you enjoyed this video and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe LawTube. So please, if you have any suggestion, views and opinion for the development of LawTube, So please do let me know all your views, opinion and suggestion in the comment sections below. I will be very happy to help update LawTube viewers and respond them. So stay tuned for latest law and legal news every day. See you tomorrow in the latest LawTube. Thanking you all LawTube viewers. Goodbye.